So, Brandon, we just got back from Buster's and we found an interesting find.
Yes, we did. I literally have walked by this bottle countless times, at least over the last 4 to 6 months. I've looked at it and I know nothing about this. And
this one caught my attention because it's a pretty bottle.
a pretty bottle does not make great whiskey.
But I still enjoy a pretty bottle.
Yeah. All right. This is the Charles Goodnight 6-year oak aged Texas straight bourbon whiskey, coming in at 115 proof. Not a lot on here about who they are, where they're from, mash bill, anything of that nature. Some kind of a little story about somebody's great uncle was a Texas cattleman, and this is supposed to be a tribute to them. But this is bottled by Goodnight Distillery out of Miraloma, California. And I was like, wait a second, you've got Texas straight bourbon whiskey.
They're making it in Texas and bottling it in California?
In California. Why?
I don't know, but it's got Longhorn on it and a star. It looks like it's copper. It's kind of cool looking.
Pretty cool little.
Gotta push it forward.
Pretty cool little presentation on there, you know. But it is aged for 6 years. And the unusual bottle, this is a amber, almost brownish colored bottle. Yeah. Let us know in the comments down below. Have you even seen this bottle in your area? And more importantly, have you tried this bottle?
Okay. That's barbecue all day.
I'm getting like barbecue spice,
like
mesquite smoke. There's like a brown sugar sweetness. Oh, wait.
Whoa.
Man, look at those slow rolling legs coming off of the Glen. My goodness.
It's clinging to the glass.
Yeah. Now there are some nosing and tasting notes on the back label. I'm deliberately ignoring them so that it doesn't influence.
I didn't know that.
Yeah,
I just see words.
I'm deliberately ignoring those so it doesn't influence me. I just realized that when I happened to look over. But oh my goodness, this is like if you've been to a Texas barbecue place where they got the big pit smokers and stuff, and you roll up and you can smell it 2 miles before you get there, that's what is coming across here.
I'll be honest, what the nose is giving me.
Mm-hmm.
Walking out at the Astrodome during the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo, when the barbecue cook-off is going on, all the different mesquites, all the smoke that they have.
Oh my goodness.
It's a world. This in a glass is a world.
Why did I continuously walk past this bottle? Other than I thought, man, that's got to be some kind of gimmick. That's never heard of it. I've never even seen a review on this before.
Oh my gosh! But on the nose, it takes me back to my younger days.
Oh man. Let's get it on palate, see if it translates to that. That is such a unique. I'm getting spice, like barbecue spice. I'm getting salt. I'm getting sweet smoke, like mesquite smoke.
On the palate, it was very much like a sweet meat of barbecue.
Yeah, very meaty.
But on the finish, it's everything barbecue. Everything.
Oh my.
The brown sugar, the
Almost a molasses.
could be like all the spices that you get that
Mm-hmm. The salt, the pepper, the garlic, the onion, all the
it's just
paprika, all of that. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is so. What in the world are they doing? And where are they getting this stuff from?
I don't know.
This is so awesome.
But I think Keith would enjoy this, a pour of this back in when he was running the barbecue.
Now I go back to it. It's even more that spice, that like a barbecue rub spice.
Yes.
But I'm getting a little bit.
With the rub, it had all the spices, like all the spices of barbecue that makes great barbecue.
Oh my goodness. This is so. Now, why couldn't, if I tell you what, if the samples we had gotten of the Garrison Brothers tasted like this, I'd probably be goo goo gaga over Garrison Brothers. If you're one of those people like me that enjoy the peated scotches with the smokiness, this is not that level.
No.
But if you love good Southern barbecue.
On the nose, I could smell like lit charcoal.
Mm-hmm. If you enjoy real Southern barbecue, you'll appreciate this.
It's the starter. It's the starter wood. It's the starter for your smoke. Is what I'm getting on the nose.
But I mean, it's like brisket rub. Is what I'm getting on this.
Okay, I'm getting little variances depending on high and low.
Oh, that is beautiful.
But high, it's like the smoke. It's the smoke that you're going to smoke the meat in.
You go high in the glass, you get the smoke, but you also get a burst of that rub seasoning.
See, I'm getting the rub on the lower.
On the lower, I'm getting a little touch of ethanol, but I'm getting more like a nuttiness.
Just spices, just a variety of spices.
Yeah.
That's all barbecue related type spices.
Man, this is by far one of the most unique. This is not going to be hard to pair. Barbecue, or for those of you that want it easy, B-B-Q. This is unreal. I mean, this is how it smells in downtown Memphis with the Memphis in May Barbecue Festival. This is, oh my gosh. Now I'm kicking myself. Why in the heck did I walk by this bottle so many times without trying?
I don't know, but I kind of feel like I've done a disservice to not bring you down while the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo are going on for 2.5 weeks, and all the barbecue cook-off and the smells that come from the pits.
My gosh, this is delicious. If you appreciate the savory, smoky notes that some bourbons have, or if this is not going to be your typical Texas whiskey, but man, this is good. If you like that base profile Texas whiskey,
so we like Still Austin.
Yeah,
this
is not it.
No, this is
Balcones. This ain't it. This is a whole new experience. It has the essence of Texas whiskey, but it's so unique on it. Oh my goodness,
It's a barbecue in a bottle.
it is. It really is.
And I don't want to put my meat. I don't want to soak meat in it or anything.
Oh, no,
I
no,
want
no.
I want to sip this while I'm eating my barbecue meat.
Well, you know, we have a few places that we're going to be going in the next several months. We may need to take this along with us for the bottle shares.
Yeah. So everybody gets a little sip of this.
Because, oh my gosh, now, oh man.
I mean, everything about it to me was kind of gimmicky, but I thought the bottle was really pretty. I said, even if the juice isn't that great, it would make a great lamp.
Yeah. As far as cigar pairing, you know what, dude, you can throw the kitchen sink at this and it will stand up and take center stage.
Yeah, I would.
Whatever cigar you like. On this right here, if you want to go on the sweeter side with an acid or a Drew Estates or something of that nature, it'll stand up. You want to go big, bold CAO, you know, punch, whatever. This will stand up with it. I don't, unless you just got something that's so mild, this would take a very mild cigar over.
Yes, it would.
I think, you know, the light Connecticut shade wrapper, and so I don't know how it would hold up.
But if you have a blended one,
yeah,
then you get a little bit of that light and medium balance.
A Cameroon wrapper would be great with this, as far as a cigar.
We don't discriminate on bourbon.
No.
We love it all for the most part.
Well, I think that's going to do it for us today. I don't know what else to say about this, but other than I will be doing further research in this company because I want to know where they're sourcing their juice from.
Yeah, if you're looking to have a barbecue anytime soon, stop in at Buster's, grab you a bottle of that, and have that go with it, and you let us know. Does that pair well or not?
And if you're not in our area, just keep an eye out on your local store and see if they have it, or you know, ask around and see if it's available. I mean, for you know, roughly $60 to $70 on this right here, it's a great bottle.
I'm enjoying it. I will enjoy this one.
All right, I think that's going to do it for us today, Mary. Unless you have something else.
We just have this one life to live.
So make it about friends, family, and great whiskey.
Till next time, our friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.